Hey guys, I'm Miss Salyer and this is Harry, and I will be your new English teacher starting on January 3rd. Right now, I am currently still in Houston, but my fiance, two dogs, and I are going to be moving to Midland over Christmas break. I'm super excited to work at Midland Freshman. I loved the staff and the atmosphere there, so I'm super excited to get to meet all of you. I love to have fun in the classroom, and I like to make learning fun. That is one of my main goals as a teacher, is that you learn something and that you enjoy doing it. So please, please, please make sure you are studying for your finals and preparing for all of the things so we can start the second semester off on a great foot. So I just wanted to start with a little game that we will pick up once I get there and I see you on the first day, January 4th. And it is two truths and a lie. I'm sure you've heard of it. So I'm about to say three statements. Two of them are true and one is a lie. So you have to determine which one you think is a lie. So here are my three statements. Statement number one, I love algebra. Statement number two, I have never left the country. And statement number three, I love sports. So think about it, and we will talk on January 4th. Have a great holiday and get ready.